In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save your open tabs even when you close your Chrome browser. So this is a cool little feature of Google Chrome that not a lot of people know about. So I've got 4 tabs open here about Bitcoin, and let's say I want to close down Chrome, but when I open Chrome, I want to be able to get to these tabs again. How do we do it? Well, we can do it by using a tab group. So what you can do, once you've got all of your tabs open, if you hold down Control on your keyboard and then click on each individual tab while holding down Control, you can then right click on the last tab. You can then click Add Tabs to New Group, and you can then create a group for these tabs. So I'm just going to call this BTC Research, and we're going to make this orange for Bitcoin. We can then click Enter, and we've now got our tabs here in a clickable button, which when we click, it's actually going to close and open the tabs. Now we can close down Chrome, no problem. You can exit out of Chrome. And when you go back to Chrome in the future, I'll just open it up. Here's how you can actually find these tabs again. So all you need to do is go to the 3 dots in the top right hand corner, go tab groups, then you'll see the tab group. You can then go to it, click open group. It's going to open up your button again and all of the tabs that you were previously on. And if you wanted to close it, you could click on the button right there and open it. That's how you do it. I hope that helped.